Hi guys, do you remember this, something that I bought some time ago? I had an idea. I wonder if it would work. You know, we normally put a cup of hot water there and then we put ice on. I wonder if it would work without the hot water, with a normal temperature. If we make that cold enough, will it work? So I'm going to just place it here, bring the camera down. Okay. Let me see. Where are we? See if that will work. So let's have a look. Put some nice cold ice on here. Really get it cold. Let this ice take effect before we try this. Can we see all right? Yes. Yes, we can see all right. Okay, I think it goes this way around. Wow, it's working, guys. What can I say? There's nothing. It's just really cold on top and normal temperature in the room. I'm quite amazed that it's working, to be honest with you. It's a good idea. Anyway guys, a very short video. Thank you very much. Thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment. I don't know how long this will work, because obviously when the coal gets right to the bottom there, it might stop altogether. But this, at the moment, there's warm air at the bottom, natural temperature, and then there's really cold on top. Looks like it's coming to a stop. That's the experiment, guys, and I'm really pleased with the experiment. That it's actually working, you know. So you can see that that's it. I don't know if it will continue to work, but still a little bit cold there. No, that's it. Thank you. Thank you.